All right, we're here at 1975 Redesdale Avenue in Los Angeles. Now we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector run water throughout. We're actually running our camera from the end of the line clean out. It's like a 4-inch clean out.
Picks up the downstairs bathroom.
Picks up the downstairs bathroom over here. It's on the left-hand side of the house. There's also another clean out just in the little crawl space picking up the upstairs, which we'll run our camera through. Now, we've got our camera in here about maybe 58 feet where it brings us into the, in the front underneath the concrete there. We cannot push our camera any further because we've been going through so many turns in the line. And now we've come to another one right over here. So we've located this like 3.5 feet deep underneath the concrete in the front. If you want to continue this inspection, we're going to have to install a clean out there and continue the inspection. We want to tell you, though, that the water has been running. A lot of water has been running and hasn't been backing up. So we're going to bring the camera back. You see there's a 90-degree turn there. Let's see if we spot. You see it's going to come up under the steps, though. This all looks in good condition. It looks like an ABS plastic pipe.
That's picking up that kitchen. That's the kitchen downstairs.
Okay. So it's still ABS. You can see it's got, okay, now it comes back to cast iron. And
see the baby wipes?
Yeah, it's got a lot of baby wipes in it. So we're dragging, and there's a lot of baby wipes in this pipe. So we want to look at the paper towels there and that.
Yeah.
Okay. The cast iron, however, is obvious. It's getting a little old, but as we were going in and stuff, it appeared to be in fair condition. There's a lot of water running down the line. I mean, it does have rust buildup, but it's functioning. You definitely don't want to be flushing tampons, baby wipes, paper towels. What probably would be a very good idea is to run a cable with a blade through this pipe. Maybe you could, descale it a little bit. But you can see it still looks in fair condition. That gives you an idea. I mean, it's getting old, obviously, but it doesn't look too bad looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside of the pipe.
Turn it off. Yes.
How long do you think?
No, you can just turn it off.
Okay, we're going to bring the camera out.
We're not going to turn the water off. Just you can turn off the water that's running in the house.
Thank you. Okay, you see it doesn't look too bad, the cast iron. See, there are a lot of baby wipes. That's no good. That can cause problems. You never want to do that. Okay, comes out of the clean out. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll go to the other one. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're running our camera through this clean out here in a little crawl space underneath the water heaters. I can tell you the cast iron is definitely getting old. Looking at the pipe, it's got quite a bit of rust buildup, but it's functioning. I mean, the thing is, it would be nice if it was all new ABS, but it's not. You can see the pipe. It wouldn't be a bad idea to at least run a cable through the line to descale it as best as possible. The key to this is definitely what you're flushing down the toilets, because that will cause problems in the line. This is definitely functioning the line, but it's getting old. And as I say, we couldn't complete our inspection, so you're going to need to put a clean out outside. It really needs one on the outside of the house. Unfortunately, it's under the concrete. You can see a little bit of rust build up in the pipe. It probably could be scraped away. The water's flowing. It's functioning. You can knock all that rust away. Now, if the general inspector crawls underneath the house and he says that everything is leaking, well, then that's a different story. Because remember, we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot check the outside of the pipe. We're going to go ahead and stop the recording over here.